Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Bluetooth problem on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to general management. On the down you are going to find the general management, so just click on it. After having click on it, again you have to scroll down to reset option. So here is the reset, so move on reset. So here again you have to click on the reset network setting, the second option. Okay, so just click on the reset setting and here click on reset. Okay, so after you have been click on reset, after the 5 second or 3 second, the problem of Wi-Fi problem, Bluetooth problem and mobile data problem will be fixed on your mobile phone. You just click on the reset. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.